Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. What would happen if two dark matter planets collided? Yes, this is the topic of discussion in today's video. So we are talking about what? Dark matter planets. We know planets, we have the idea about planets. Our Earth is our planet. Like Mars is there, Jupiter is there, Neptune is there. So you know, you have not watched any collision between two planets. Means planets made of ordinary matter, that is planets made of rocks and gas. So, but you can easily imagine what might happen if two planets collide. Just you consider the collision between Mars and Earth. So, what might happen? You have the idea. But in case of dark matter planets, we don't have actually any idea. Still, physics has suggested many things, many points. Actually, still we do not know anything about dark matter. Okay, some theories exist in the field of physics about dark matter, but we are not actually confirmed about those theories. Anyway, now just consider collision between two dark matter planets. So first of all, let us know what happens in case of if just suppose two ordinary planets are colliding with each other. In that case, explosions are there, generation of heat is there, generation of shock waves are there. Okay, because presence of friction, presence of pressure, presence of heat, all these things are there, and you have the complete idea about such collisions. Okay, means when two ordinary planets collide, what might happen? You have the complete idea about this. Because ordinary planets, that means ordinary planets are made of ordinary matter. Okay, ordinary matter respond or interacts with everything, like electricity, magnetism, gravity. All these things are well known to us. But in case of dark matter actually does not interact with light, electricity or magnetism. Okay, their presence can be known only through gravity. Actually, physicists have got this idea by observing the change in the gravitational field or the gravitational pull or gravitational force. Okay, by observing these things, they have got the idea of the presence of dark matter. And you know, dark matter, the term dark comes from what? Because dark matter does not interact with electricity, light, magnetism. Okay, that's why this dark term is used. This word dark is used in dark matter for that reason. Anyway, one more point is there that dark matter does not collide or stick together like ordinary matters. You know that in case of ordinary matters, collision of ordinary matters, in that case, they collide and stick together. But in case of dark matters, they do not collide, they do not stick together. So, what would happen if two dark matter planets collide? So, I am using here one term, dark matter planets. So, how could dark matter planets form? For that purpose, I will make a separate video. Okay, none has ever seen dark matter planet. Planets made entirely of dark matter, none has ever seen this thing. Okay, this is just a concept made by physicists. Okay, dark matter planets, and I'll make a separate video for this dark matter planets. How dark matter planets actually form? Means what is the chance? Okay. Anyway, we are right now talking about if dark matter planets collide, what might happen. So now you know that dark matter actually does not interact with light, electricity, magnetism. They do not collide or stick together like ordinary matters. So if two dark matter planets collide, question is that one. If two dark matter planets collide, then what might happen? They would simply pass through each other. Yes, two dark matter planets would simply pass through each other without making any kind of disturbance. Yes, there is only a little chance of change in or creation of gravitational ripples. Better to say creation of gravitational ripples, because dark matter interacts only through gravity. So when two dark matter planets collide, we might observe a creation of gravitational ripples, and that may affect nearby stars, or that may alter galactic structures. Okay, only that way. And we have already witnessed gamma ray bursts in the space, but those things are unexplained. So there is a chance that dark matter planets are colliding, and that's why generation of or bursts of gamma rays are observed by the physicists, but those things are still unexplained. Evidences are required, proper explanations are required. Okay, so chances of what are there? Change in gravitational waves. If ripples are created, and if we can detect those ripples, in that case we will be able to know the presence of dark matter planets, or we will be able to know the collision between two dark matter planets just by observing gravitational waves, change in gravitational waves. Okay, and nothing else. But why this is important, why this is being studied by the physicists? Still we have not seen any dark matter planets. Still we are studying what we are studying. What would happen if two dark matter planets collide with each other? Why? Because this way theories are being formed by the physicists. And if we really could see any, means if we could really receive any evidence from any source about the collision of two dark matter planets, that way we will be able, means we actually might be able to make an analysis about the presence of dark matter, because still we do not know anything about dark matter. With certainty we do not know anything about dark matter. Okay, there is no certainty about this thing. Anyway, and if it is detected, if the presence of dark matter is detected, or the presence of dark matter planets is detected, or if the collisions are detected, then we will be able to know many things about the nature of dark matter, and therefore we will be able to know the reality of the universe itself. And that's why study of this thing is required, and that's why physicists are doing the same thing. Okay, so this is completely hypothetical. Today's topic of discussion is completely hypothetical right now, because existence of dark matter planets, this is completely hypothetical. So collision between them is also hypothetical. So by using some ideas about the nature of dark matter, what are the ideas? They do not interact with light, electricity and magnetism. They interact only through gravity, and they do not collide and stick together like ordinary matter. Just by keeping in mind all these things, we are saying what? We are saying that if two dark matter planets collide, then in that case they would simply pass through each other. Just like ghosts walking through walls without breaking the walls or without displacing the walls. Ghosts are able to pass through the walls. In movies, in horror movies, you have already watched this thing. Just like that idea, we are saying here this thing. If two dark matter planets collide, then same thing, just like ghosts passing through the walls, that thing might happen. There is a chance of happening that thing. Okay. But is there any change? Yes, of course, since they interact only through gravity, so there is a chance of creation of gravitational ripples. Only that thing. According to our current knowledge of physics, we can say only that thing. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.